If you've been locked out of your Snapchat account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. If you are already logged out, go to the login screen to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and tap on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. Select how you want to receive your password reset link. You can choose to receive it via email or SMS depending on what information you have linked to your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link. Click on the link and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log back in. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the Snapchat app and log in with their new credentials. Ensure that you remember your new password for future access. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your Snapchat account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.